Namaste everybody, I am Master Saurabh. Once again, welcome back to this channel. Kiosk, Karma is the only way to success, where you can get high quality videos every Saturday or Sunday. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification. Okay, and if you are interested on short useful yoga video, so you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook page. You can get the link in the description box or you can see the name on the screen. So go and get it. The topic today we will learn chair yoga beginner level, but this class will be more effective for the who has been working in the office or who has been dealing with the chair, just sit on the chair all the time and do work. This posture is really helpful, okay, and this class is really helpful for them. So if you are in that person, so please try this class, okay, in your office or at home, okay, whenever you feel like. This posture will help you a lot. So if you are new member on this channel, please subscribe, okay, and hit the bell icon for further notification. See you in the class. Let's get started. You need a chair, and if your chair is like me, okay, like plastic chair, so I think you need a towel to sit on because you will feel pain if you sit on the chair only. And then and your feet should be on the ground. If you cannot reach your feet on the ground, so you can use blocks underneath like this. Here, okay, like this. So now start. Make your legs parallel to the hips. Okay, and place your palms here. Make chin mudra. Keep your spine straight. Close your eyes. Now start movement. Take breathing. Now 3 times. Take breathe. Okay, and exhale. And 3 times after chanting. After that. Now close your eyes. And keep your breathing normal. And keep your spine straight. Now 3 times. Take deep breath. Now inhale. And exhale through nose. Inhale. Exhale through nose. Inhale. And exhale through nose. Now relax. Keep your breathing normal. Try to concentrate on your breathing. 3 times Omkar chanting. Now take breathe through nose. Inhale. Inhale. Now, 100 times. Inhale. How will you do? If you are breathing normal, try to concentrate on breathing. Now, place your palms together, rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Close your eyes. Now, place your palms on your eyes slowly. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel longest of palms on your face. Keep your breathing normal. Now, place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Now step. Now start. Okay. So make your legs parallel, interlock your finger, place your palms behind your back or behind your head. Now stretch your shoulder. Take breath in. Inhale. Stretch your shoulder. Look up. And exhale. Keep your elbow together and your head down. Keep your spine straight. Again. Inhale. Push shoulder back and look up. and exhale. Keep your elbow together and head down. Inhale. So up, look up. And exhale. Keep your elbow together, head down. Now final times. Okay, then inhale. Stretch your shoulder as much as possible and look up now. Hold. 6, 5. Open up your chest. 4. Try to put pressure on your shoulder. 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front. Interlock. Make your elbow together like this. Inhale. And exhale. Pull your head down and hold. 6, 5. Smooth. 4. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2, and 1. Now look front. Then place your hands here. Okay. Now we start twisting. So first I have to sit down, I sit up, okay, and then move my chair like this, okay, this way. So you can use it to see. So when you do twisting, you have to stand up. Okay. So like this. So sit down, then inhale. Okay, and exhale. Place your hands on your chair like this, but don't move your feet. Okay, like this. Okay, if you think it's far away, so you can close up to your chair like this, and then place your both hands on the chair like this. Okay, twist your spine. Then inhale. Okay, and exhale. Twist your spine if you can. Now inhale and exhale. Same twist. Now inhale. Exhale. Twist backward. Now final times. Inhale and exhale. Twist here. Now hold. 6, 5. Twist more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale and exhale. So twist to another side and hold on. 6. Keep your knees straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Same down. Okay. Now start movement. So first. So fast. We will do movement okay, like this. Now, interlock your fingers and then inhale. Raise your hands up. Okay. Try to push your shoulder backward as much as possible. Here. And exhale. Place your hands backward. Interlock your finger. Pull down and head down. Now inhale. So stretch up, interlock your finger, push up. Okay. Lift your chest up. Place your hands backward as much as possible. And exhale, place your hands backward, interlock, and hit forward like this. Stretch. Now inhale, raise your hands up, look up, interlock, push more. Open up your chest. Okay, and look up as much as possible. And exhale, place your hands backward. Interlock. Now head down. Now final times and hold. Okay. Then inhale. Raise your hands up. Interlock. Stretch up and look up. Now hold. 6. Try to put pressure on your upper back and middle part of the spine. 5. Then push your shoulder backward. Look up. 4. Keep your breathing normal. Expand your chest. 3, 2, and 1. Okay. Now simply place your hands backward. Okay, interlock your finger. Then inhale. If you cannot, so you can use strap to hold your leg. Okay. And exhale. Place your hands forward and head down. Now hold. 6, 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4. Stretch up your shoulder. 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale up. So relax your shoulder like this. Okay. So now again we'll do twisting. So this time we have to move forward. Edge of the chair like this. Okay, here. Move forward. And then place your legs parallel. Now start twisting. Place your hands according to your shoulder level. Then take breathe. Inhale and exhale. Lift your right knee. Catch your right knee by left hand and then twist your spine. Look at your back side. Right hand backward. Then inhale and exhale. Same. Catch your left knee by right hand and place your hands backward. Left hand. Twist your belly. Suck your belly in. Now inhale and exhale. Same. Twist backward. Now inhale. Exhale. Twist. Same backward. Now final times. Inhale and exhale. Lift your leg up. Okay. Catch your leg. Okay. And pull your elbow inside, not outside like this. Okay. Inside. Keep your spine straight. Chest up. Place your hands backward and hold. 6, 5. Twist your spine. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Opposite. Catch here. Twist your spine. Look at your back side. Now hold. 6. Okay. Keep your spine straight. Don't lean right side. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale and exhale. Sit down. Okay. Now this time, place your legs here again. Place your right leg on your left. Okay. Then cross your leg like this. Okay. Like this. Okay. Interlock. If you cannot, simply you can use blocks like this. You can put your legs on the block like this. Okay. If you cannot, but if you can, so no need block. So interlock. Simply interlock. Place your hands forward and then use your left hand straight, right hand cross like this. Okay. And then interlock here. Look at your arm. Now hold. 6, 5. Twist your hand. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply relax and now place your legs on your thigh like this. So then start rotation. It rotate. Place your right hand on your knee and left hand on your toe, or right toe, and then rotate now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So the opposite way. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now we will do some knee movement. Okay. If you have knee pain, so this posture is best for you. So first we have to catch our foot like here by left hand and place our right hand on your right knee. So keep your spine straight. First take deep inhale. So keep your knees straight. Okay. Use your left hand to pull your leg, pull your toe inside, and use your right hand to press down your knee. Okay. So you can straight your knee like this. And exhale simply down here and press your knee by right hand. Push down. Okay. And when you push down, you will feel stretch on your hip muscle and hamstring muscle here. Okay. Like this. Now again inhale. Same stretch. Keep your knee straight. And exhale down. Push your knee down. Okay. Don't lean your body forward too much. Okay. Just slightly forward. Now inhale. Same. Keep your knee straight. And exhale. Push your knee down. Okay. Final times and hold. Now inhale. Stretch and hold. 6. Pull your toe inside. 5. Try to put pressure on your right knee to press down your knee. But if you feel pain too much, okay, so slightly bend. Okay. If you can't, so keep your knee straight like this. 4. Keep your spine straight. 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Then simply down. Press down your knee with right hand and hold. 6, 5. But keep your spine straight. Okay. Lower back straight. 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now simply down here. Okay. Place your legs here down and keep your left knee straight. Okay. We will do some movement like this here and bend your knee. Place your left hand on the mat. Okay. Like this. If you cannot, so you can use block to put your hands on like this. Okay. If you can, so no need block. But try to remember your left leg should be straight and right leg should be bent. Okay. Right leg should be 90 degree. Not inside, not outside too much. Okay. 90 degree. Parallel to your knee. And then pull your toe, left toe up. Place your left hand near your, in between both legs like this. Okay. And twist your spine look up and hold. 6, lift your right hand up. 5, make your shoulder parallel to each other. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now inhale up. Okay, and exhale down. Okay, now start with second leg. So at first, place our right leg here and left leg up on your right, and then cross your leg, something like this. Okay, if you cannot, don't be sad. Okay, just put your legs here. Okay, put your block and put your legs like this. Or if you think it is balanced, so you can down here like this. Okay. So now I'm interlock my toes like this, and then this time place your right hand down and left hand cross. Okay, here interlock. Okay, and then look at your palm. Now hold. 6, 5, your body should parallel to your leg. 4, 3, keep your spine straight. 2 and 1. Simply open and then open your legs. Now same, place your left foot on your right thigh. Okay, so catch your right foot by right hand. Sorry, catch your left foot by right hand and your left hand on your knee. Okay, same. This posture best for the knee pain. Okay, who has knee pain or suffer from the knee pain, this posture best for them. So first you have to use your hand, left hand, catch here and take breathe. Now inhale. Keep your knees stretched like this. Okay, press your knee down as much as possible and look at your toe. Okay, and exhale. Simply press down your knee. Okay, like this. But keep your spine straight. Okay, don't lean forward too much. Slightly. Then inhale. Stretch your legs. When you tight your legs, okay, or keep your knees straight, you will feel pain in your hamstring muscle. But try to do it. Okay, try to push your knee down as much as possible. And exhale, press your knee down. Now inhale, send up. And exhale, send down. Okay, final times. Now inhale up and hold. 6, keep your spine straight, pull your toe inside. 5, keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, simply put down and press down your knee. Now hold. 6, 5, stretch. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, then simply place your leg here and right leg straight. Okay, you have to move forward a little bit. Then keep your right knee straight and left leg 90 degrees. You can look at my leg position. And then place your left hand here. Okay. Place your right hand in between your both legs. Okay, pull your right toe up and then push your spine. If you cannot, so you can use blocks. Okay, to put your hand on. Now take breathe. Inhale, lift your left hand up, look up and hold. 6, twist your abdominal. 5, look up, look at your palm. 4, both shoulders parallel to each other. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Simply down. Okay, now in this posture we will perform for upper back. Okay, so how to do that? So first thing is, we have to make our legs like parallel. Okay, chair should be parallel, and then sit down here. Okay, on your feet, and place your hands. Okay, lift up, put your back on the chair, and place your both hands behind. Okay, edge of the chair like this. Okay. Look at my hand position. Okay, catch here, and then move your both legs forward. Okay, same. Look at my hand position here. Catch here, catch your edge of the leg, and move your both hands forward like this. Okay. If you feel pain, so you can use a big towel to take support. Okay. Now start. Put your head down like this. Okay, on the chair, and then inhale. Same up here. Okay. Make your elbow parallel to the shoulder, and exhale slowly down. Push down your hip, okay, but don't lift up your head. Okay, then inhale up and exhale down. When you do this exercise, you will feel pain on your upper back. Okay, or even also stretch your upper back. When you push down your hip, you will stretch your upper back. So try to do it. Forget about pen and try to stretch your upper back. Now inhale up again. Okay, and be careful of your chair. Okay, don't press down too much so you might falling down. And exhale down. Put your head down. Now inhale up and exhale down. Okay, final times. Inhale up and hold. 6. Make your knee parallel to each other. Okay, 90 degree. 5. Lift up your hip. Okay, don't push your hip like this. Up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, then simply down. Push your hip down and hold. 6. Up. 5. As much as possible. Down more. 4. Don't pull your chair. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, up. Then simply come back. Okay, now sit down here. So after finishing this posture, then you need to move your shoulder down like this. So from backward, from front like this. Okay, and then use your hand like this to move, stretch your shoulder. Okay, now this time place your hands backward. Okay, like behind your hip. Okay, look at my hand position. Catch here. Okay, like this here. Catch, and then try to lift up your leg. Okay, we will do back massage and also core massage at the same time. Okay. I mean back massage, core exercise. So move your body a little backward like this. Okay, here. When you move, you have to lean your body backward. Okay. So you have to move your hips forward. Edge of the chair. Now take breathe. Then inhale, move your body backward and bend your knee like this. Okay. And exhale down. If you cannot, so put your leg down. Okay, if you can, so lift up your leg like this. Okay, now inhale now up here and exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. 2 more times. Inhale up. It will help you to heal your back pain. Okay, and exhale down. Now 1 more times. Inhale up and hold. 6, 5. Lean your body backward. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then keep your knees straight as much as possible. Lean your body backward and hold. 6. Tight your knee. 5. To squeeze your belly. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, now this time sit on the chair. Like, okay, we'll pull our legs. Push our hip backward and then place your legs on the chair like this. Okay, here like this. And then use your another hand to catch your left leg and stretch your leg, okay, outside. But if you cannot, so you can use strap to hold your leg. Okay, like this. Here, place your legs here and stretch. Simple, okay, but lean your back backward, okay, on the chair. So if you can, so simply try this posture. If you can, simply try this posture. Now hold on. 6, 5, keep your breathing normal. 4, open up your chest. 3, 2 and 1. Okay, simply down. Again, start with second leg. Okay, catch here or catch your full toe like this. Use your hand here and stretch your leg as much as possible. 6, 5, look up, the chest up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Now this time we have to lift up our both legs. So we have to move forward a little bit. Okay, so we can take our back support. Here, move your hips forward and catch your heel. Okay, and then simply stretch, move our hip forward and hold on here. 6, and then when you stretch your leg backward, try to lift up your chest. Try to expand your chest like this. 6. 5. Stretch your leg as much as possible. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, then simply make your feet together. Okay, like this. Push your hips backward and make your hips together. So if you scared, so you can use blocks to move your body forward. But if you can, so no need blocks. Okay, just simply move your hips forward, hands forward and hold. Okay, so like this. Okay, and then move your hands forward and hold down like this. 6. If you cannot, so try this one. 5. Stretch your shoulder. 4, 3, 2, and 1 again. Now, sit up here. So then relax your legs. So place your hands on the chair like this. Okay, here sidewise. Okay, not here, like sidewise. Okay, and move your legs backward as much as possible. Okay, here, but don't lift up your heel. Okay, now take breathe. Okay, try to put your not belly. Okay, down part of belly, okay, from this part on the chair, so you won't feel pain on your spine. So now do it. Let's hands back, legs back a little bit. Okay, farther, and then take breathe. Now inhale. Simply push your hip forward. Okay, open up your chest like this and look up. Okay, lift your toe heel up and exhale. Simply stretch your body and look down. Okay, stretch your shoulder. Now inhale. Same again. Push your hip forward. Open up your chest. Keep your elbows straight. Look up, heel up. And exhale. Simply hip up and head down. Now inhale. Again, move your body forward. Try to put your down part of the belly. Okay, and open up your chest and look up. And exhale. Down. Stretch your shoulder and back. Okay, shut your back and belly in. Now, final times. Then inhale, move your body forward and open up your chest. Look up and hold. 6, 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now simply up and stretch your hip. Push down your chest. Look down. Okay. Now hold on. 6. Try to stretch your shoulder as much as possible. 5. Keep your breathing normal. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now look front. Okay, now so move your body forward. Okay, now we will do some back bending exercise, but maybe it will be hard, or I don't know if it will be easy for you. But okay, let me show you something. We have to enter through this gap, okay, inside the chair. So try this one. So first, place your hands forward inside first, and then slowly move your hands forward and move your body forward like this. Okay, here. Okay, like this inside, and then try to put your belly on the chair. Here. Okay. Now, then try to lift up our leg. Okay, like this. You can use it to lift up. Okay. If you put your belly on the chair, so you can use it to lift up your leg. Okay. But if you put your only belly and hip outside, you cannot use it to lift up. Okay. It is hard for you to lift up your leg. So move your body forward and chest outside. Here. Okay, lift up your leg like this. You can use it to lift up. So first put your one hand down here. Okay, and then bend your left knee. Catch your left hand. Okay, catch your left leg by left hand and pull your legs, move your body and right hand up and hold. 6, 5, pull your legs up as much as possible. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply down. Same with second leg. Place your right hand backward, catch your ankle by right hand, pull your legs, lift up your legs and move your hands forward. Now hold. 6, keep your both knees straight. Left knee straight. 5, pull your legs up. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay. Now place down. Okay, now this time we will pull your both legs up. Okay, pull your both legs up and hold. Place your hands backward, catch your ankle, and then try to make your feet together if you can. If you cannot, widen. Okay, it's up to you. And then pull up, now hold. 6, 5, straight up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now down. But if you cannot able to catch your leg. So in that situation, you can use strap. Okay, to hold, to grip your leg like this, both legs. Okay, and then simply pull up. Okay, like this. Now this time, or you can simply get out from this place like this. Move your hand forwards and body okay. Here, and place your in this situation. Place your hands forward. Make your feet together and look front up hold. 6. Keep your spine still like that, don't down here. 5. Point your toe. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And simply move forward. Okay, slowly come back. Use your hand. Move your one leg forward and second leg. Okay, so like this. Now, this time we will perform sub back bending. Okay, again back bending posture. But in this situation, we have to put our back on the chair. But if you feel pain, so you can use the towel to fold like this. Okay, in 2 wrap, and then put here. Then simply move your body forward, okay, as much as possible, and then use your hand to catch your chair, and simply put your back on the chair. Okay, you lower down. Okay, this part of the back. Okay, not here. Okay, lumbar joint here, base of the lumbar joint. So place here and put your back on the chair, and simply move back. Okay, here like this. Or if you cannot, simply put your hips on the chair like this and use your hand to put your hands on the back or like this. Okay, and then simply back, move back, now hold on here. Okay, it's easy for you to do it. If you cannot half one, also try this one. 6, 5, stretch your shoulder. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, simply up. Okay, only up, and then try to stretch your shoulder. Now relax here. Okay, move this side first. Okay. We will do some squat. Okay, but stretch our back. So first, catch the chair like this. Okay, and then move your body outside as much as possible. Okay, like this, and then stretch your back and then try to bend our knee. Okay, now inhale, look front, and exhale, try to bend our knee and stretch your back. Okay, like this. Now inhale up. If you feel easy, so you can move your back little backward. Okay, and exhale, simply bend. When you move backward, you can lift up. You have to lift up your heel like this. Then inhale up, look front, and exhale, simply down, stretch your back and hamstring muscle. Now inhale up, stretch your back and hamstring muscle. Okay, and exhale down. Now final times. Inhale up and exhale down and hold. 6, stretch your back. 5, stretch your shoulder as much as possible. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now inhale up. Keep your back straight. Okay, and push your chest down and head down as much as possible. Open up your chest and hold on. 6, 5, push more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna look front and then come back here. Okay, sit here a little bit. Now relax your back. Okay, now relax your body. Now So place your hands next to your thigh, like this here. Okay, place your hand next to your hip. Now lift up your hip and down. Okay, so use your feet and use your shoulder power to lift up your hip. Now take breathe then. 7. Inhale, keep your spine straight. Okay, exhale, lift up your hip like this. Up. Now inhale, look front. Okay, first you have to grip the chair properly. Okay, and exhale, simply up. Lift up your hip also. Then inhale, keep your spine straight. Exhale, down and up. Now 2 more times. Inhale, look front. Exhale, down and up. Now final times. Inhale and exhale, down and up like this. Okay, now down here. In this time, if you can lift up your legs. Okay, if you cannot, so put your leg down. Okay, it's up to your hand flexibility and hand balance. So place your hands here. Now take breathe then. Inhale first. Okay, I will do both posture. First this one. Okay, leg is up. If you can, so first move your body forward. Okay, and then keep your spine straight like this. Then backward. Now hold. Okay, support your back. Now hold on. 6, 5, tight only. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, now relax. Okay, down here. Okay, relax your shoulder, relax your hand. Okay, now we'll do again some back stretch. So place your hands to the backward. Okay, here. Now take breathe then. Inhale, push your hip forward as much as possible. Try to keep your knees straight and look up. Okay, open up your shoulders, twist your shoulder. And exhale, down, lift front, like this. Okay. 3 more times. Inhale, send, lift up, stretch your hip and look up. Exhale, down, put down. 2 more times. Inhale, up, stretch your shoulder, look up. Exhale, down, head down. Now final times. Then inhale, up, stretch more, as much as possible and look up. Now hold. 6, point your toe. 5, open up your shoulder. 4, twist your shoulder. 3, 2 and 1. Now relax. Down. Simply move your body forward. Okay. So about this time, make your legs a bit wider than your normal position. Place your hands backward. Catch here. Twist your spine and hold here. 6, head down. 5, push more. 4, stretch your shoulder. 3, if you cannot, so you can try here. 2 and 1. Now look front. Okay, so move your hands forward and then up. Now, some posture for lie down. Okay. So after finishing this posture, you have to lie down like this. To move your chair to the outside. Okay. Here and then put you here. Place, you can use 2 blocks to take support. Okay. Here. So let me show you how you can do that. Put your legs, blocks here first. Again, then simply lie down first. Put your legs on the chair like this. Again, catch your chair handle like this and try to use your block okay, like this and put under your hip. Okay. not back, under your hip. Use your chair and keep your both knees straight like this. Now hold on. 6, 5. Try to lift up your hip like this. 4. If you cannot simply put down. 3. Catch your chair legs. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply down. Okay, one more time. Then inhale, up and hold. And exhale, down and hold. 6. Keep your breathing normal. 5. Lift up your hip. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Simply down. Now this time we will lift up our hip. Here, move back. Here. Okay. Put on the chair. Use your hands here. Okay, now lift up your hip. Check, breathe. Inhale. Lift up your hip as much as possible, like bridge pose. Okay. And exhale. Down. Now inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Final times. Inhale. Up. Exhale. Down. Now final times. Inhale up and hold. 6, 5. Try to push up your hip. 4, 3, 2 and 1. Now simply down. Okay, and then keep your knees straight here and take a rest like this. Okay, relax your hands. Open up your shoulder. Open up your hand. Open up your legs. If you want, you can put your legs on the chair. If you don't want, you can put your legs on the floor. Okay, and then take a rest. Then come back after 10 minutes or after 5 minutes. You have to come out. Sit here. Now relax. Okay. Place your legs here. Place your hands on your knee. Close your eyes. Keep your breathing normal. Relax your shoulder. Now, rub your palms. Try to make your palms warm. Close your eyes. Put your hands on your eyes. Don't scratch your eyeball. Try to feel warmness of palms on your face. Keep your breathing normal. Place your palms in front of your eyes. Slowly open your eyes and look at your palms. Thank you so much for watching and thank you so much for joining me. And if you enjoy this class, please like. If you don't enjoy this class, please dislike. At least I would know. And please comment me why you don't like this class and why you like this class. Please comment me. Because I'm complaining about you. You just watch the video, but you don't like it. But you don't subscribe my channel. So do it here. What are you doing? I always bring new topic with you every Saturday or Sunday. So you won't get the notification if you don't subscribe or if you don't like. So please do it. And if you really enjoy, please share this video to help others. See you next Saturday or Sunday with a full knowledgeable video. Until then, keep learning, keep applying and be healthy. Namaste, Hare Krishna.